We see various things present around us like plants, animals, laptop, mobile phone, books, table, chair, etc. Anything and everything that is present around you is called matter. What's the matter? Hey everyone, welcome back to your own channel. This is Sanjeevani Nayak and in this video we will study about matter and its type. So let's dive deep into the topic. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Example, book. Is book occupying some space on the table? Yes. Does this book have mass? Yes, which we can check using weighing balance or beam balance. So book is a matter. Can I say water is a matter? Yes, because water has mass. When you fill your water bottle with water, its mass increases. And also water is occupying space inside the bottle. So water is a matter. Matter can also be perceived through our senses. That means we can see it or feel it. Can I say air is a matter? You can't see air, but yes, you can feel it. But does this air has mass? Or does this air has volume? Yes. So when you fill balloon with air, air occupies the space inside the balloon and mass of the balloon can be checked using weighing machine. You'll see mass of the balloon filled with air increases. This indicates air has mass, air is occupying space and so air is a matter. So let's study what matter is made of. All matter is made up of small particles called atoms. And this is something which we know. Each and every substance present around us is composed of atom. So let's take an example. If I take a piece of gold and keep on cutting it. So when you cut it into smaller pieces, you get the smallest particle which you will get is called the atom. So this matter is made of atom. All matter is made of small particle called atom. Now matter can be classified into three types: elements, compounds and mixtures. Now elements, compounds and mixtures we have used interchangeably, but these three terms have different meaning. These are the three types of matter. We'll understand one by one about each term. Before we start with the element, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family or with anyone who might find it useful. Elements. Element is a type of matter which is made of only one type of atom. Example, gold, silver, aluminium, iron, copper, etc. Example, see, when you break gold into smaller pieces, you get atoms and all the atoms of gold are alike. एक जैसे atom होते हैं. Similarly, aluminium को जब हमने break किया तो we see only one type of atom present in it. Iron को हम break करेंगे, again you'll see all the atoms of the piece of iron are alike. Copper को break किया, copper के भी सारे atom एक जैसे दिख रहे. तो ये जो सारे सब्सटेंस है जिसमें सिर्फ एक टाइप का एटम होता है, सिर्फ वन टाइप के एटम प्रेजेंट है, these substances are called elements. Elements cannot be further divided into simple substance. Simpler substance में हम divide नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो खुद ही simple है. इसको further simpler substance में हम divide नहीं कर सकते because उसके पास एक ही टाइप का atom present. Example, hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is also composed of atom, same type of atom. दो hydrogen atom combine होकर hydrogen gas बनाते हैं. Similarly, two oxygen atom combine होकर oxygen gas बनाता है. So all these substances, more example we can take sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, silicon, phosphorus, etc. ये सारे substance एक ही type के atom से बने, one type के atom से बने, so these are called elements and there are 118 known elements. All these elements are represented by symbol. Example, sodium is represented by Na, magnesium is represented by Mg, calcium is represented by Ca, etc. So all these elements are represented by symbols. Now let's see the second type of matter, that is compound. Compound is made from two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed proportion. Means two or more than two types of elements or two or more than two types of atom when chemically combined in a fixed proportion, compound is formed. Example, hydrogen and oxygen. So here two types of elements are combining. Two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom, when chemically combines together, it forms water, which is H2O, represented by chemical formula H2O. Now in H2O or in water, hydrogen and oxygen is always found in the ratio 2:1. Also, compound has totally different property. Property of compound is not like the properties of elements. अब water बना hydrogen and oxygen से. Hydrogen gas है, inflammable gas है, that is it can catch fire. Whereas oxygen की बात करें तो oxygen भी gas है, but it supports burning. और ये हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन जब केमिकली कंबाइन होते हैं और वाटर बनता है, वाटर फर्स्ट इट इज लिक्विड एंड सेकेंड इट नीदर बर्न्स नॉर सपोर्ट्स बर्निंग. इनफैक्ट हम वाटर यूज करते हैं टू एक्सटिंग्विश फायर, टू पुट ऑफ द फायर. तो वाटर की जो प्रॉपर्टी है हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन से टोटली डिफरेंट है. तो जब भी कंपाउंड बनता है तो जो एलिमेंट्स है, ओरिजिनल एलिमेंट्स है, उनकी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज हो जाती है. मोर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक. Example, carbon and oxygen. Now, carbon and oxygen when chemically combined, one carbon atom reacts with two oxygen atom to form carbon dioxide. अब प्रॉपर्टी की बात करें तो कार्बन, जो कोल जिसको हम बोलते हैं, कोल इज मेड ऑफ कार्बन और कोल हैज कार्बन विच इज ब्लैक इन कलर, ब्लैक सॉलिड होता है. वेयर इज ऑक्सीजन, अभी अभी हमने किया, ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट्स बर्निंग एंड इट इज इन गैसियस फॉर्म. बट जब ये दो एलिमेंट्स केमिकली कंबाइन होते तो बनता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज कलरलेस गैस. एंड ऑल्सो दिस पर्टिकुलर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज टू पुट ऑफ द फायर. वो भी बर्न नहीं होता है, कोल तो बर्न होता है, ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट करता है बर्निंग, बट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नीदर बर्न्स नॉट सपोर्ट्स बर्निंग. इनफैक्ट वी यूज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सिलेंडर्स टू एक्सटिंग्विश फायर. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट होता है. So carbon dioxide made carbon and oxygen ka ratio 1:2 and carbon dioxide has totally different property. Okay, so properties of elements in compound changes. So this is this is compound. Now important, chemical compounds or compounds which are formed cannot be broken down or separated physically. हम physically carbon dioxide को break करके carbon and oxygen नहीं obtain कर सकते. फिजिकली वाटर को ब्रेक करके हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन ऑब्टेन नहीं कर सकते, बट इट कैन बी ब्रोकन डाउन केमिकली. हम केमिकल मीन्स से ही इसको ब्रेक करके हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, वाटर splits into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas when electric current is passed through it. The third type of matter is mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances in any proportion. Means two or more than two type of substance. Substance could be element, compound, कोई भी substance हो सकता है. तो जब दो या दो से ज्यादा type के substance physically combine होते हैं in any proportion, in any ratio, then the substance formed is called as mixture. Okay, example salt and sand. Salt and sand जब हमने mix किया तो जो मिलता है that is called mixture. सॉल्ट एंड सैंड सिर्फ फिजिकली मिक्स हो रहे हैं, यहाँ पर कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन नहीं हो रहा है इनके बीच में. कैसे पता चला कि केमिकल रिएक्शन नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि सॉल्ट एंड सैंड दोनों की प्रॉपर्टी एज इट इज है, दे डू नॉट चेंज देयर प्रॉपर्टी. सब्सटेंसेस डोंट चेंज देयर प्रॉपर्टी इन मिक्सचर. बट हमने देखा था कंपाउंड्स में प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होती है, यहाँ पर प्रॉपर्टी चेंज नहीं हो रही है. दिस इंडिकेट्स दैट दीज सब्सटेंसेस आर जस्ट फिजिकली गेटिंग मिक्स्ड. ओके, एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. एंड सॉल्ट इन वाटर कितने भी प्रोपोर्शन में हम डाल सकते हैं. 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट डाल सकते हैं 100 ml ऑफ वाटर में, 2 टीस्पून, 4 टीस्पून, 10 टीस्पून एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो हियर टू और मोर सब्सटेंसेस आर physically combined in any proportion. This is called mixture. In mixture, substances retain their original property. मतलब उनकी property change नहीं होती. Example, here you can take one more example. Example, this is a mixture of different colored balls. तो अलग अलग कलर के balls हमको दिख रहे हैं. तो ये जो particular combination मिल रहा है, ये जो substance मिल रहा है, इसको हम mixture बोलेंगे. और यहाँ पर हर एक बॉल का जो ओरिजिनल प्रॉपर्टी है, इट इज एज इट इज. कैन वी सेपरेट मिक्सचर बाय फिजिकल मीन्स? यस. यहाँ पर सिर्फ just by picking we can separate the different colored balls. Yes, so mixture can be separated by physical means. Example we can take air. Can we say air is a mixture? Yes, because air has different gases physically mixed: carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, noble gas. Then other than this, pollutants can be present. Example, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, etc. So air is a mixture of different gas. Alloy is also a mixture. Now what is alloy? Alloy is mixture of two or more metals or metals and non-metals. Example, steel. Steel mixture है किसका? Metals and non-metals का. Iron, carbon, जब physically mix होते हैं तो जो बनता है that is called as steel. वैसे हम stainless steel बोल सकते हैं. Stainless steel is again an alloy. It is a mixture of carbon, iron, chromium, nickel. Okay, so यहाँ पर metals and non-metals physically mix हो रहे हैं, chemical reaction नहीं हो रहा है, so it is called mixture. Now one question for you: is milk element, compound or mixture? What type of matter is milk? Milk क्या है? Element है, compound है, mixture है? इसका आंसर comment section में टाइप करके दे दो मुझे. So with this, we have completed the topic element, compound and mixture. I hope you understood the topic. If yes, please like the video, and of course I need the answer for this question in the comment section. I'm open to feedback. Please कुछ suggestion हो तो comment section में mention करिए, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.